Number 1.
1975 Ford F-150, price $7,500. It has traveled approximately 75,000 miles and is equipped with a smooth-shifting C6 automatic transmission paired with a strong-running 360 cubic inch 2-barrel V8 engine. The truck features a tan exterior and matching tan interior, maintaining its original vintage appeal. Though the factory air conditioning system is present, it is currently non-functional. The body is in good condition overall for its age, with rust primarily located in the truck bed and the front right fender, while the rest of the truck remains solid. It runs and drives well, making it a great candidate for someone looking to complete a classic Ford restoration.
Number 2.
1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,900, with 181,000 miles on the odometer. It features a brown exterior and matching brown interior, both in excellent condition. The interior is fully electric, with no rips or damage to the seats, showcasing how well the truck has been preserved over the years. Powered by its original 5.7L V8 engine and paired with a 4-speed manual transmission with overdrive, the truck runs on gasoline and offers a solid driving experience. The frame is rust-free, and the paint is rated a strong 9 out of 10, highlighting its impressive overall appearance. While the air conditioning system is present and intact, it simply needs a Freon refill to be fully functional. The Chevrolet comes with a clean title, current registration tags, and a valid smog certificate in hand, making it ready for its next owner.
Number 3.
1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. It runs great with no known issues or leaks. It has an odometer reading of 191,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. The truck's exterior is a distinctive green, complemented by a gray interior, and it runs on gasoline. Under the hood, it boasts a powerful 5.7L V8 engine.
The vehicle has recently undergone a tune-up, ensuring everything is in good working order.
It comes with a clean title, and its tags are valid until September. While the truck presents well, the seller notes that its primary need is bodywork and a fresh paint job. For an enhanced ride, the Chevrolet 1500 has been lowered with a 5/8 drop, contributing to its remarkably smooth ride. It is equipped with US mags, which have some curb rash, though the tires themselves are in good condition. The previous owner made an effort to keep the truck as original as possible, maintaining its classic appeal.
Modern touches include a full sound system featuring a Pioneer Carrozzeria Japanese stereo. Number 4.
1998 Ford F-150, price $4,229. It has been driven 147,200 miles. Powered by a strong and dependable Triton V8 engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission, it delivers solid performance for everyday driving or work-related tasks. This particular model is a rear-wheel drive configuration and features a clean and clear title with no history of accidents or salvage. It's a one-owner vehicle, a testament to the level of care and consistency in its maintenance over the years. The exterior is finished in white, complemented by a clean and comfortable gray interior where all features function as they should. Notable extras include a bed cover for added utility, stylish alloy wheels, cold air conditioning, and power windows and locks for convenience. The truck starts right up, runs strong, and is ready for whatever comes next, whether that's work, travel, or everyday use.
Number 5.
1986 Ford F-250, price $8,500. It has traveled 77,000 miles.
It features a powerful 6.9L IDI diesel engine paired with a T19 manual transmission, offering solid performance and reliability. The truck is equipped with 4x4 capability and manual locking hubs, making it ideal for off-road or rugged terrain use. It comes with an automatic transmission, as previously noted, although it's important to clarify that the T19 is actually a 4-speed manual transmission, suggesting there may be a mix-up in the listing. The exterior is finished in gray, complemented by a striking red interior that adds character to its vintage style. A recent oil change has been completed, ensuring it's ready for the road.
While the truck does include aftermarket gauges, they are currently in need of replacement, estimated at around $60.
Number 6.
1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500, with 316,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in a classic blue exterior with a matching blue interior, it features a 350 V8 engine paired with a 4L60E automatic transmission. The truck runs on gasoline and includes a Posey traction rear end for better traction and control. It is equipped with 4-wheel drive, though the thermal actuator will need to be replaced for the 4WD system to function properly. Mechanically, the truck has a small power steering pump shaft leak and a minor AC leak at the compressor clutch. Additionally, the check engine light comes on at freeway speeds due to an EGR valve issue, though this does not impact the truck's performance. Despite these minor issues, it remains a dependable vehicle that's ready for its next owner. The truck comes with a clean title in hand.
Number 7.
1986 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. This truck is a well-maintained classic pickup that combines old-school style with everyday reliability. With only 59,000 miles on the odometer, it still has plenty of life left. It features an automatic transmission for smooth driving, a sharp gray exterior, and a clean black interior that gives it a bold, timeless look. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong 350 V8 engine and runs on gasoline. Although it's uncertain whether it has Flowmaster mufflers, the exhaust note is deep and satisfying, giving the truck a commanding presence on the road. It has been slightly lowered, giving it a sporty, aggressive stance that sets it apart. The air conditioning system is in place but not currently connected, only the compressor needs to be hooked up.
Number 8. 1995 GMC 1500, price $3,600. This presents an excellent opportunity, showing a remarkably low 24,000 miles on its odometer. This truck comes equipped with a smooth automatic transmission and is propelled by a robust 5.7 engine, ensuring it runs and drives exceptionally well. The exterior boasts an attractive burgundy finish, which is nicely complemented by a beige interior, and it operates on gasoline. One of its notable features is the fiberglass bed, which remains free of cracks, indicating good structural integrity. However, it's worth noting that the paint on the exterior has experienced some fading due to prolonged exposure to the elements. Despite this cosmetic imperfection, the truck is otherwise in great shape and has proven to be a reliable daily driver. Number 9.
1996 GMC 1500, price $6,950, shows 160,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and boasts a monochromatic appeal with both its exterior and interior in burgundy. This truck is powered by a diesel engine. Significant recent investments totaling $4,500 have been made to ensure its reliability and enhance its appeal. A sum of $2,150 was spent at a shop for essential maintenance, including a new starter, new alternator, new batteries, a new harmonic balancer, and AC work. Additionally, the truck received a substantial upgrade with $1,600 torque thrust wheels and tires. Other improvements include a new windshield for $150, a $50 cab corner piece, and a $350 vintage 1.5 Alpine CD player. Furthermore, a $200 PMD/relocation kit was installed along with other miscellaneous items, demonstrating a commitment to its upkeep.
Number 10.
1993 Ford F-150, price $10,000. It has accumulated 250,000 miles on its odometer and features an automatic transmission. The truck's exterior is a sleek black, complemented by a practical gray interior. The seller reports that both the motor and transmission are in excellent working order, and the interior is noted to be in good condition.
The main issues are cosmetic, specifically the paint, and a minor intermittent starting problem.
The truck runs and drives well for any distance once started, but if it's turned off, it won't restart immediately. After a short wait, it can be restarted and will continue to perform reliably, taking its driver wherever they need to go.